Your morning can shape how the rest of your day feels, especially when you are living with lupus. Before rushing into your routine, pause and check in with your body. Notice any pain, stiffness, swelling, rash, fever, mouth sores, or unusual fatigue. Lupus symptoms can change quickly, so catching changes early can help you pace yourself and contact your care team sooner when needed. Take your prescribed medicines on schedule and exactly as your clinician instructed. Use water, food, alarms, or a pill organizer if those tools are part of your plan. Consistency can help control disease activity and reduce flare risk. Do not stop your medicines suddenly unless your clinician tells you to. Drink a glass of water soon after waking. Hydration supports circulation, energy, and overall function. Follow your clinician's fluid recommendations, especially if you have kidney or heart concerns. Before going outside, protect yourself from ultraviolet exposure. Use broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Wear protective clothing and a wide-brimmed hat, and seek shade when possible. Sun and UV exposure can trigger rashes and flares in many people with lupus. Give your body 5 to 10 minutes of gentle movement. Try light stretching, joint range of motion exercises, or a short walk when you are able. Regular gentle activity can support your joints, strength, mood, and fatigue management, but adjust your movement during flares. Choose your top 1 to 3 priorities and plan your breaks early. Fatigue is one of the most common lupus symptoms, so pacing can help prevent an energy crash. You do not have to do everything at once. Take the day one step at a time. Spend 2 to 5 minutes calming your body and mind. Try slow breathing, quiet prayer, or peaceful meditation. Stress can worsen pain and other symptoms, while calming practices may reduce tension and improve coping. A gentle morning routine will not remove every challenge, but it can help you move through the day with more awareness, protection, and care. Save this video so you can return to the routine and share it with someone living with lupus who may need the reminder. Follow True Gospel Talk for more practical encouragement and wellness-focused content.